Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2024. This is a car that's been highly anticipated, and for good reason. It's the latest iteration of one of Mercedes-Benz's most popular models, and it promises to be even better than its predecessor. So, let's dive into it and see what makes this car so special. Exterior. The first thing that you'll notice about the 2024 C-Class is its exterior styling. It's a departure from the more conservative design of the previous generation, and it's sure to turn heads. The front end is dominated by a large grille, which is flanked by sleek headlights. The side profile is also very stylish, with a sloping roofline and muscular creases. And the rear end is equally impressive, with a set of taillights that extend into the trunk lid. Interior. The interior of the 2024 C-Class is just as impressive as the exterior. It's a luxurious and tech-savvy space that's sure to impress your passengers. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display, which includes the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. The seats are also very comfortable, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom, even for passengers in the back. Performance. The 2024 C-Class is available with a variety of engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a turbocharged 6-cylinder, and a plug-in hybrid. The 4-cylinder engine is the most fuel-efficient option, while the 6-cylinder engine is the most powerful. The plug-in hybrid offers the best of both worlds, with a long electric range and a powerful gasoline engine for when you need it. Features. The 2024 C-Class comes standard with a long list of features, including a panoramic sunroof, a heated steering wheel, and a premium audio system. It also offers a variety of available features, such as a head-up display, a massaging seat, and a driver assistance package that includes adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is an all-new car that's sure to impress. It has a stylish exterior, a luxurious interior, powerful engine options, and a long list of features. If you're in the market for a new luxury sedan, the 2024 C-Class is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.